Hello everybody, welcome back to our Reset Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily change the ECM TX in the fax settings on your CANON i-SENSYS MF657Cdw. So first, what you guys want to do is go over to the menu. Now here, let's go over to the function settings and select send. Now here we need to go to the fax settings and go over to ECM TX. As you guys can see here, we can enable it or disable it. It's basically all up to our preference. Let's click on off, and as you guys can see, it will automatically apply. And now I'll show you the second way on how you guys can do that. So as you guys can see, I am on the website of our printer. Let's go over with the beginning. Here we need to select the system manager mode and enter our remote UI access pin. For me, it's 1234, but if you forgot yours or yours is different, then you guys can easily set it all up in the printer. So let's click on login first. Now let's go over to settings and registration, and here select the TX settings. Now let's click on fax TX settings, and right here we need to click on edit. And here we will have ECM TX. Also here we have the set pause time from 1 to 15 seconds to this setting. And that's basically it. So I hope this video helped you. If it did, then leave a like, subscription and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.